AI is transforming the world of software development, and it's doing it faster than anyone expected. Imagine a future where developers no longer need to write code and AI takes over. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it might be closer to reality than we think. In a leaked recording, Amazon's cloud chief shared something shocking. He suggested that in just 2 years, most developers could stop coding altogether. Now, before we panic, let's break this down. This isn't just another AI hype video, and we're not here to say that AI will replace all software engineers. But what we are going to do is reveal the very real changes that are already underway and how AI is set to reshape software development forever. So, here's what happened. During a private fireside chat in June, Amazon Web Services CEO Matt Garman made a bold prediction. He said that 24 months from now, most developers might not be writing code at all. And this wasn't some casual comment. It was a carefully thought-out observation. A warning, but not the sky is falling type. More like a heads-up. A signal that developers need to start adapting because the landscape of their work is about to change. Now think about that for a second. 2 years from now, that's 2026. Garmin suggests that by then, AI will be doing much of the coding work. And what's crazy is, this isn't a far-fetched idea. With the rapid advancements in AI tools, especially in the world of large language models or LLMs, we're already seeing glimpses of what's possible. Developers are currently using AI to generate code snippets, automate tasks, and even debug programs. But what if that's just the beginning? Let's dive into what AI is capable of right now. These AI tools are getting so good at coding that some can take natural language input, basically plain English, and convert it into functional code. It's efficient, fast, and sometimes even more accurate than a human developer. Now, we know what you're thinking. How is that possible? Well, AI models like GPT and others are trained on massive amounts of code and human language. They understand patterns and can generate code based on the prompts they're given. This is why Garmin's prediction holds some weight. He's not saying coding will disappear. Instead, he's emphasizing that coding itself, as a skill, may not be what developers rely on in the future. In his words, coding is just the language we use to communicate with computers. But in the future, AI might be the one handling that communication for us. Developers will have to shift their focus from writing lines of code to building innovative solutions that meet user needs. So what does this mean for software engineers? Well, if AI starts handling most coding tasks, developers will need to adapt. They'll have to develop new skills. Instead of just being the people who talk to computers, they'll need to focus on higher-level problem-solving, understanding user experiences, and building creative solutions that AI alone can't figure out. The role of the software engineer is evolving. Garmin mentioned that the key skill for the future won't be coding. It'll be innovation. How do we build something that users actually need? How do we solve real-world problems? These are the questions developers will be tasked with answering in the future. And instead of spending hours writing code, they'll be using their time to think strategically, innovate, and create products that truly make a difference. Now, let's talk about what the next 2 years could look like. Garmin isn't the only one making bold predictions. Some experts believe that in just a few years, we could see AI models that allow developers to build entire products using nothing but natural language prompts. Imagine telling an AI, "I want an app that tracks daily expenses," and the AI generates the entire backend, front-end, and everything in between, all without writing a single line of code. It sounds incredible, but it's not impossible. We're already seeing early versions of this technology in tools like OpenAI's Codex and others. These models are only going to get better, more efficient, and more integrated into the development process. And as AI continues to scale up, the role of the developer will shift even further away from coding. The future of software development is changing faster than ever, and AI is at the center of it all. But rather than fear these changes, we need to embrace them. In the next few years, we're going to see a dramatic change in how software is built, but the role of the developer will remain crucial, just in a different way. The key is adaptation, innovation, and learning to work alongside AI to build the future. And who knows, maybe 2 years from now, we'll look back and realize that the world of coding was just the beginning of something much bigger. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Got thoughts on the future of AI and coding? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, see you in the next video.